Okay, good morning, students. How are you? I'm good too. Let's begin. Please sit down. Okay. Well, today, in our class today, we're going to be talking about circus. And we're going to be doing some listening. And we're also going to be talking about sentences with if. Okay? And we're going to be talking about the word rather. Okay? I'd rather. Okay? So we're going to be talking about these three things today. All right? Now, let's go ahead and let's look at the PowerPoint today. Okay? So, today, we're going to be looking and talking about a circus. Okay? This is a kind of circus here. And we're going to be doing some listening. All right? Okay. So, what I'd like you to do first is I want to think about some vocabulary. Okay? Okay? Some vocabulary. Okay? Now, let's take a look here. Well, let's look at the PowerPoint. Okay, so here's some vocabulary. Do you know some of these words? Do you know the word invite? Invite and invitation? Okay. Do you know the phrase up in the air? Okay. So these are some of the words we're going to be talking about before we listen. Okay? Before we listen. Today's listening's a little difficult, I think. So let's look at these words before we listen. Let's look back at the PowerPoint. Okay? So, do you know these words? Invite, housewarming party, up in the air, make up your mind, be hurt, preference or prefer, and rather. Okay, let's take a look at this. So first one, invitation. Invitation. Okay, we can see here right? Here's the word invitation and invite. Okay? So I would like to invite you to my party. Okay? So here's the word invite and invitation. All right? Okay. Now, let's think about this a little bit. If you invite someone to a party, we're going to be asking, A, you ask them to come to a party, or B, you ask them to leave the party. Which one? Who says A? Let's look again. One more time. A, you ask them to come to the party. Raise your hand. A. Or B, you ask them to leave the party. Okay. Answer is A, right? You ask them to come to the party. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Here's the word, make up your mind. Make up your mind. Does this mean you decided something? Or this means you haven't decided yet? Talk with your partner. What does this mean? What do you think? You decided something, or you haven't decided yet? A or B? Let's see. Who says A? Who says A? Raise your hand if you think it's A. Okay. Who says B? Okay. Answer is A. Okay. You make up your mind means you decided something. Okay? Make up your mind. Okay? So let's look here. So, I have made up my mind. What's mind, everybody? Mind is brain, right? Yeah? So, this means I have decided. Right? Yeah. And the same way, if you say, I haven't made up my mind, of course it means I haven't decided. Okay? All right. This is an important word, okay, for today's listening, to make up your mind. All right. Let's look at the next one. Okay? Your plans are up in the air. This means A, your plans are decided. You know what to do. Or B, your plans are not decided. Talk with your partner. What do you think? A or B? What do you think? All right. Let's have some hands, everybody. Who says A? Who says B? Yeah, very good. Your plans are not decided. Okay? You don't know what to do. All right? Now, here's a movie. Have you seen this movie before? Okay. This movie is called Up in the Air. It's with George Clooney. Do you know this movie? Okay. Up in the Air, everybody, has two meanings. Okay? Two meanings of Up in the Air. One means fly in the airplane. Okay? The other one means not decided. Okay? So, in this movie, okay, in this movie, George Clooney, his job, he flies a lot for his job. But also, he can't decide what to do about his life. Okay? So, the movie is called Up in the Air. Okay? Up in the Air. All right. Okay? Let's go back, look at the PowerPoint for a second. All right? So, up in the air. Okay? Now, let's have a little mini conversation. Okay? Today I'm alone. It's just me. Okay? So I'm going to ask someone to come help me. Does anybody want to help me today? Anybody? Did you want to come? Yeah? Okay, very good. Come. All right. Okay. Now, it's okay today. You can read. It's fine. Okay. You're going to be E. You're going to be E. I'm going to be A. Okay? Yes, I'm going to be A. Okay? All right. Okay. You got the thing? All right. So, we're going to have a little mini conversation. We're going to be thinking about up in the air and make up your mind. Are you ready? Okay.
What are you doing on Sunday?
I don't know. I haven't made up my mind yet.
Really?
Yeah, my plans are up in the air. Okay, let's do it one more time. Ready? Okay.
What are you doing on Sunday?
Sunday, I don't know. I